Okay. This is my 12 by 12 paver. I'm gonna put a hole right in the middle. Okay, so I want to put lights in our pavers, which is super cool. I'm using the in-lite puck light. They're these cute little lights that will just pop directly into a paver. In order to do that, I need to drill a hole. So we're using a hammer drill to drill through the paver, and what I have is a diamond bit. It's a 7/8 inch bit, which is the same size as my light fixture. And then I have a water swivel, and that allows a constant source of water for when I'm drilling through a hard surface like cement or concrete or something like that. I'm using a hammer drill, but I want it in drill mode, not hammer mode, because it will knock off all my little diamonds, and this is a very expensive bit, so I don't want to do that. And then I'm going to attach my water, because if I don't have the water source, it'll actually wear out my bit a lot quicker too. And actually in a lot of places it's the law that you need to contain the dust, and having water will keep that dust down. So I measured out, found the center of my pavers. Now I have a jig that I'm using to drop right on the top, and this is going to allow me to make sure that my drill bit goes in directly, because if I drill at an angle, it's not going to be good for the housing unit for the light. All right, there we go. The nice thing about this puck light is there's a few different lights you can use, but I chose this puck light because it basically has a cover on the top. And so basically it'll illuminate around here and not directly up. So if you're standing over this, it doesn't blind you. All right, so all I need is a rubber mallet, and I'll tap that in, and then I'll hook this up to the rest of the lighting and run it under the pavers. Super cool.